Hello, YouTube. Today, I will be recording with my new camera. What is this? It's a Sony Vloggy Touch. Oh, wait, there we go. With a model MHS TS20. There you go. If that's not what this is about, although I do really like this camera. I will be reviewing the Ridge Runner. I can't do this. There you go. Ridge Runner model RR487 Tactical. It's really cheap. As in, maybe, okay. It's really cheap, but it's a good knife. It's aluminum. What is this? The blade is around, it's a bit longer than 3 inches. I think it's 3 1/4 to be exact. It's got a nice little thing. I think you could unscrew this and put this on the other side if you're a lefty, and then you could also unscrew the clip, put it on this side, I believe, if you just switch the screws around. Yeah, the blade is very sharp. I almost cut myself today. Actually, I cut myself on this. And yeah, that's really all I have to say about this knife. It's really cheap. If you're not gonna go all out with this and like go, I don't know. Yeah, it's just good for having around the house or fishing. It's not really, yeah. Also, my friend and I, we bought 6 items off of Budk. It's, actually I'll put the links in the description because I don't remember I don't remember exactly what we bought. It's, well, yeah, wait, maybe I could show you the receipt. Alright. Your confirmation. There you go. Wait. Oh my god. Actually, that's him calling. I'll just ignore it. Yeah, yeah. So I bought, for myself, I got the Expendables kunai 3-piece thrower set, $29.99. Gil Hibben 3 Fighter Bowie knife, $49.98. That's also for me. The next 2 items, the Secret Agent Tactical Ninja Sword, just $12.99. And the Viper Twin Rainbow Sword set with what? With sheath. It was $19.99. Those were for my friend, the one that just called. And then the twin, I don't know how to say that, twin kukri or whatever knife set, which are machetes with back scabbard. That's for me, and then the last one too. I think I'll put the links in the description, so no need to worry about that. We're really happy about that purchase, and actually, I put the address to his house, because, first of all, he's getting the biggest items, and today, actually, UPS kind of screwed me over with Modern Warfare 3, because I ordered it first from GameStop, and then GameStop sent me an email saying that the order was refused or something like that. So I ordered from Amazon. Turns out both orders were fine. The one from GameStop and the one from Amazon. So I bought 2 copies for no reason. And then today, both were supposed to come today, but for some reason UPS didn't, I don't know, they didn't leave them because my name isn't in the building something, I forget what it was called. But my name wasn't in it, even though it is on the mailbox. Whatever. So, and I think that's where I'll end it today. So, oh yeah, wait, I forgot one thing about this knife. That is, if I could just take it out. Yeah, the sheath for this knife sucks. So I recommend keeping it out of its sheath. Sometimes it doesn't lock, although I got it to lock now, but sometimes, or at least when it's new, it doesn't lock properly. So you're gonna be here, and then if you press down on it, it'll just go back in. So yeah, look out for that. But otherwise, I do like it, more or less. I have better ones. So link in the description for this, for what I did order and what should be coming next week. And I think that's it. So, see ya, I guess.